Hey guys, welcome to my channel Pinto Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good, and in today's video I'm going to show how to make Goan Baath. It is a semolina and coconut based cake mostly enjoyed during tea time. So watch the video carefully without skipping any part and you will enjoy Baatk. For that we need 300 grams of grated coconut. Add it in the blender jar and dry blend it for few seconds. In a pan add butter 150 grams. Keep it on a slow flame. Let it melt. Once the butter is melted, add semolina 300 grams. Without giving any color, on a slow range, saute it for a while. Once this is ready, keep it on the side and let it cool down. Now let's do the mixing part. In a bowl, add sugar 300 grams, 6 whole egg. With the help of an electric whisk or a manual one, beat the egg till it becomes fluffy. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing since it is completely free and you won't miss out on future upcoming videos. Check this, it has become fluffy now. This is how it should be. Now add grated coconut from the jar. Also add semolina from the pan. Add quarter teaspoon of cardamom powder and mix well. To balance the taste, add quarter teaspoon of salt. Mix it. Now this batter is ready. What you have to do is cover this batter and keep it in the fridge for overnight before we start to bake. The very next morning, what you have to do is remove it from the fridge, keep it outside for at least half an hour. Now at this point, what you have to do is keep the oven hot at 160°F for at least 50 minutes. This should be in the oven. So 10 minutes prior to that, keep the oven hot. Mixing of cashew nuts. I have taken 100 grams of chopped cashew nuts. Mix it properly. Now the batter is ready. What you have to do is, meanwhile, you have to grease the mold in which you are going to bake. So keep the mold ready with butter and flour. I've already kept it ready. Now place the whole mixture in that mold. Also note, it is better to use butter paper at the bottom. Once you place, arrange it evenly. Now this is all set to go in the oven. As I mentioned, my oven is already ready. Now I'm going to put this in the oven. How you know that it is ready? You have to use a wooden stick or a toothpick and it should come out clean. Or even you can use a small knife. That is how you know that this is ready. Look at this, how lovely our bath came out. Try this recipe at home and you will enjoy making bath. Please do like, share and subscribe. Please share it with your friends and family, and thanks for watching my video. God bless you all. Thank you very much.